French rider Fabio Quartararo won the 2021 Moto Grand Prix World Champion title during the Fédération Internationale de Motocyclisme award ceremony in Monaco. The event celebrates the world champions in motorcycling across all disciplines and was held in the presence of Prince Albert II of Monaco.
Sincèrement, j'ai jamais été même leader d'un championnat Moto 3 et Moto 2 et avoir le titre en MotoGP, c'est, comme je l'ai dit, le plus grand rêve de tous les pilotes et on l'a fait, donc c'est quand même incroyable.
Fabio Quartararo, also known as Il Diablo, has won many youth titles. In 2019, he made his Moto Grand Prix debut and claimed 6 poles and 7 podiums. Quartararo ended this season with a total of 10 podiums and 5 wins, allowing him to become the first ever French rider to secure a Premier Class world title.